Hi everyone, today let's try to simplify the following by rationalizing the denominator. So do you remember how to rationalize the denominator? To rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply by its conjugate pairs. So in this case, we have to multiply by 3 plus root 6 on both sides. Don't forget that we have to multiply to the numerator part too. So how do we multiply this expression? We just have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator itself. So we could write the expression in this way. And now let's try to expand the bracket. So 36 plus 12 root 6 over. Try to expand the bracket again, then we could expand 4 times. So in that case, we get 9 plus 3 root 6 minus 3 root 6 and minus 6. How do we get minus 6 at the end? Because root 6 multiplied by root 6 is equal to 6. So we just wrote minus 6 at the end. We could cancel 3 root 6 minus 3 root 6 on the denominator part so that we could write 36 plus 12 root 6 over 9 minus 6, which is 3. We need to simplify more by factorizing. So 12 bracket 3 plus root 6 over 3. Let's divide 12 and 3 by 3. Then we get 4 and 1. So 4 bracket 3 plus root 6. We have to expand it again, so 12 plus 4 root 6 is the answer for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.